Mika, what are you doing? You drinking water? Look at this ricey mess.
No.
Are you a ricey mess? Mika, show me your hands. Show me your hands. Let me see your hands like this. Let me see. They're pretty messy. Are you all done? You're
More
not.
water, please.
You can help
Can I
yourself.
please have a refill?
Yes, you can help yourself.
Sorry.
Mika, what are you eating? Rice balls? Are your hands pretty sticky? What do you need? You need more water? No, you still have water there. I'm not going to touch you. I'm not going to touch you. Sit down.
Mommy.
Are you all done? Let's go take a bath. Say bye-bye.